Hello everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'm going to prepare Mangolassi. Lassi is a traditional yogurt-based drink with thinned down curd or yogurt mixed with spices and sometimes fruits. It can be sweet or salty, with the sweet lassi being thicker in consistency and the salty ones being thinner. Today I'm making Mangolassi, which has a milkshake-like thickness, but as per your taste, you can drink it thick or diluted by adding water or milk. So, to make a refreshing glass of lassi, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1½ cups of Alphonso mangoes. Peel and cut the mangoes into small pieces. 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, or as per your preference of sweetness. 1½ cups of ice cubes. Cashew nuts and pistachio slivers for garnishing. And ½ teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Take a blending jar and add the mangoes, yogurt, sugar, green cardamom powder, ice cubes, and blend it into a homogeneous mixture. Now transfer it into a glass and garnish it with some freshly cut mangoes and with some cashew nuts and pistachio slivers. You can add some ice cubes while serving the lassi. I generally make the lassi thick, refrigerate it overnight, and then dilute it and use it the next day. This saves me a lot of time on busy mornings. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and support me by sharing the video with your family and friends.